Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Canon TS9550, and now I'm gonna show you how to adjust disk print area on this device. So adjusting the disk print area, adjusting left, right and top, bottom areas in millimeters. This allows you to fine-tune the print position on printable disks. So open Settings, find Device Settings, afterwards Print Settings and adjust disk print area. And here you can shift the print area horizontally or vertically to align the print correctly. Use this setting to adjust the print area on CDs or DVDs to ensure accurate placement. So adjust it if the print is maybe misaligned or not contoured on the disk, for example. And click on horizontal alignment or vertical alignment, for example vertical alignment, and choose how much millimeters, for example 8 millimeters up. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.